Alright, let's go ahead and color this floor plan. So, I'm going to start with the garage, and I made the mistake of looking up garage floor plans, and let me tell you, there are some really nice garages. So, let's go ahead and start kind of redrawing some of these floors back. At least so I can color some stuff. Okay, so, oh man, am I gonna have to redo all of that? Oh well. So, I'm gonna take my paint bucket, and I think I'm gonna do a type of like wood paneling. The neat thing about SketchUp is when you color with something, if you go back here, like, I guess it's home, in model, you can go to the paint bucket. Alright, and there is a color picker. Don't remember what they call it. For some reason, I'm having a hard time clicking on it. Alright, so you have to hold Alt to sample it. So, clicking on it, hold Alt and click, and it will sample it. When you go back here, you can edit the material. Do something like that. Alright, done, and I'm going to take my paint bucket and go ahead and color this. Okay, let's go ahead and try concrete floor. Looks good to me. Alright. Walk-in closet. I don't know how good this is going to look, but I think I'm going to leave the walls white in the walk-in closet. And let's do a carpet. Okay, bathroom. Let's look for some tile. Yeah, I don't know what my problem's been lately, but I've really liked accent walls for some reason, so I'm going to do a tile on one and just do a plain color on the others. Let's do... I could do a beige. Yeah, it's going to be a hard color to recreate. We're just going to go gray. It's really not that big of a deal to re-erase all that. So let's do a tile floor. Alright, looks good. Master bedroom. I'm going to do carpet for the master bedroom too. Let's see what this looks like if I change the color. So, Alt. Guess that looks okay. Yeah, alright, let's do the bedroom. Alright, let's do like a turquoise. I always feel like gray looks so like blah in this program. So I'm gonna do a turquoise for the one bedroom. Nope, don't want to do that. Okay. Utility closets. Let's see here. I'm gonna put tile down for this one. Yeah, we're gonna keep that white. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause this and go ahead and finish coloring the rest of this floor plan. Alright, and there you have it. The floor plan is completely colored. Yeah, so that's it. In the next video, I'm going to go ahead and go over how you can build some of the furniture yourself and start decorating this.